If you own any crypto at all, we dodged you, all of us dodged a bullet yesterday. Quite frankly, we could have woken up to a crypto crash today if something hadn't have happened. One company saved us, in my opinion. And I want your opinion too. Do you think I'm right after I kind of walk you through this? And what are your thoughts? Okay, so my name's Austin. I cover crypto every single day. Please hit that like, hit that subscribe. And if you're watching this on X, please give me a follow. I would greatly appreciate it. Okay, so like I said, we dodged a bullet. I believe fundamentally that if something had happened last night, and keep the mystery just for a second, we would have had a a cascading effect play out overnight. I think we could have seen Bitcoin drop into the 80,000 range, Ethereum drop below 3,000, XRP below 2, so forth and so on. Okay. And here's the event. What do you think it is? Before I tell you, pause the video, drop in the comments below. What do you think the event was that saved us yesterday? And I gave you a hint earlier. It was a company. Okay, here it is. So I'm going to divulge it. So if you don't want to know yet, pause, drop in the comments below. Love to hear from you. Here's what it was. NVIDIA. NVIDIA announced earnings yesterday after the stock market closed, and they blew away their numbers. Their earnings were off the chart. Way, way, way more than expected. And you're like, all right, well, yeah, okay. I don't really get it or care or whatever, Austin. Hear me out. Leading up to NVIDIA's earnings, it was everywhere in the news, in the media, online, the fears around is there an AI bubble coming? Is the AI bubble about to burst? Is AI been overbought? All the AI and tech stocks. If NVIDIA had missed their earnings, if they missed their earnings last night in that call, it would have created widespread panic and massive overreaction. People would have by that I mean the media, and I'm talking about global media, would have taken that as a sign that the AI bubble has burst and that the sky is falling and that all is not well. And it would have impacted your crypto. It would have dragged every single major high quality crypto asset down 100%, because it would have created blood in the proverbial water, blood in the streets, whatever metaphor works for you to create that visual picture. It would have happened. Do you agree or do you disagree? The reason I'm saying this is because of I can't even convey how big of a deal it would have been if NVIDIA had missed. And by the way, NVIDIA not missing, I'm recording this video before the stock market has opened. The stock market's opening in 42 minutes. The Dow's up 354. The futures, the NASDAQ futures are up 462 because of NVIDIA, because NVIDIA crushed their numbers and gave forward-looking guidance that they are going to blow it out next quarter and so forth and so on. The numbers don't lie. The numbers do not lie. Okay. So, well, all right, Austin, then why isn't crypto booming? Well, bottom line, crypto still has the same issues surrounding it. It's a risk-off asset. It's an asset that a lot of people, the market, things of that nature, still view as very volatile. It is volatile, so forth and so on. The things we've talked about a million times in videos, right? You know, I'm a major, massive, long-term crypto bull. But the perception of crypto right now is not overly high. People are fearful. People are wondering what's the bottom around crypto? How low is it going to go? Is it going to go even lower? So forth and so on. I'm simply pointing out that if Nvidia had missed their earnings, you would have woken up to massive red in crypto today. I know that it's down, but this would have been way down. I guarantee you Bitcoin would be in the mid 80s. Ethereum would probably be somewhere around 2,600. XRP probably $1.80, $1.70 and falling, because you would have seen most of the Western hemisphere waking up today to that news, creating more cascading effect. Think of it as, you throw a rock into a pond. What happens? The ripples, if the pond is completely still, the ripples just continue to go out, right? It's that ripple cascading effect that would have happened because of the perception that the AI/tech bubble boom, because right now that has been where everybody has been putting their money, is into AI stocks, tech stocks, all that. It would have signaled massive fear. We here in crypto are still dealing with extreme fear. We are. Okay. That's our reality right now. I know. We know. It can turn on a dime though, and it will turn on a dime. We dodged a bullet. And that's what I want you to walk away from this video with. Just the fact that we dodged a bullet. Thanks for giving me a few minutes. Thank you for watching. Let me know your thoughts. Drop in the comments. See you.